Hi and hello dear friends. Welcome back once again to our channel Vage Academy of Mathematics. We already completed one part from coding and decoding. We solved a set of problems from coding and decoding, previous year's questions from UG Senior Paper 1. This is going to be the continuation of coding and decoding. This is part 2. Let's directly get into the questions. Yeah, question number 1 we have from the year 2013 June month. This is question number 1. We see the question. It's given in a certain code the word GALIB. I'll take down here. GALIB is coded as HBMJC. Then we are asked to find what is the code for the word tiger. Then tiger will be coded as what word? This is our question. We'll note it here. Yes. So the question seems to be very simple only. So we'll start from what is given to us. GALIB is coded as HBMJC. So the moment we are given the question, the first observation we need to do is whether we have the same letters or different set of letters. This is what we need to start with. So we will just see here GALIB. If you see the coded word here, we see the letters here. We have some different set of letters only. Is it or not? Of course, if you see one letter, we have the same. B here is the same here, B. But if you see the remaining letters, we observe it to be completely different set of letters. So that means they have done something with the traveling pattern. See, if they are using the same letters, that means we will completely have the same 5 letters repeated here, but here it is not like this. So that means we need to understand that they have done something with the traveling. Let's do it letter by letter and observe what pattern is that used here. Yeah, start from the first letter G. So G is coded as H. So come to the table. We have G to be the 7th letter and G is coded as H. H is the 8th letter. So this is very simple for us to say. They have moved from 7th to 8th letter. So that means they have done just +1. Okay. Yeah, come to the second letter. Second letter A is coded as here B. So this is again A first letter, B is second letter. 1 to 2 they are moving. This is again +1. Next, continue. L is coded as M. So come to the list here. L is at the 12th position and M is at the 13th position. So again the next letter they are moving. So this is again +1 only. So the pattern looks very simple here, right? So again, we will continue and check it. I to J, again, this is 9th to 10th letter. So this is +1 again. And last B to C, again, it's easy for us to observe. They are moved to the next letter, +1. So for this question, the pattern appears to be very simple. They have just moved +1, +1, +1 for each letter. That's it they have done. So it's now very easy for us to tell what answer we'll be getting for this given word tiger. So we need to repeat the same pattern. So we'll do it for each letter, just +1, +1, +1, +1, and then +1. Just doing it, we can very easily get the answer. Start from the first letter, T. T is already at the 20th position, +1 you move to the 21st. Or to make it very simple, we just have to move to the next letter, that's all. Okay, here the traveling is very small, right? I mean the number +1 indicates just the next letter. So we can directly proceed, fill the next letters, corresponding next letters, very easy. So see here T, the next letter is U, that's it. So I, we have I, the next letter would be J here. We can move like this, but hold on here itself, come to the options. We see the options. So first letter we are getting U, is it or not? So from that we can eliminate options C and D. Is it or not? We can eliminate options C and D. And we have only two options which are starting with I mean U. The starting letter is U. Options A and B are the two options we have. U as starting, and that too. If we come to the second letter, we are getting J, and with that we can also eliminate option B also. Is it or not? Because option B we have UH, but we need to have UJ. So that means this is enough for us to say that option A should be our correct answer. Anyways, the pattern is very simple only, right? We'll complete and then confirm the answer. So we have third letter is G. G, the next letter is H. So H, next continue. E, they're moving to the next letter. We'll be getting F. And R to the next letter is S. So that means our answer is UJHFS. And this confirms that option A is our correct answer. That's it. So our first question, we got it very, very simple. I think the way of getting the answer is also very easy for you are able to understand it. We can quickly move on to the second question. Yes, question number 2. Question 2 is from the year 2013, December month. And let's see what is given in the question. In a certain code, the word teacher, let me note it here, teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher, is coded as, I'll write the coded answer here, below here. Respectively, we need to write it. Okay, we need to fill it. That's more important. V, G, C, E, J, and then G, T. This is what we are given. So teacher is coded like this. And what is asked for us to find? We are asked to find, yes, children. Then how will be the word children? C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. So how will be the word children? Coded. This is what we are asked to find. Yes, again, as usual, we start from what is given. Teacher. Teacher is what is coded as B, G, C, E, G, E, J, G, T. This is how it is coded. And again, if we observe the usage of letters, if we see whether they have used the same letters or different letters, if we see, it is very clear for us to see that they have used some different set of letters. Is it or not? Of course, some letters, I mean this E, if you see it is repeated here. Again, it has been repeated, but it may be some coincidence. If you see the majority of the letters, it is going to be a different set of letters only. Is it or not? Yeah. So that means like the previous, I mean the first question here again, we need to test with the pattern of how they traveled. Yeah, let's start from the first letter T. So T to V, they are moving. So come to the table here. T is at the 20th position and V, if we see, it is at the 22nd position. So that means T to V, 20 to 22. This is just plus 2 they have done. I'm noting it here. Come to the second letter. Second letter is E. E to G, they are moving. So E is at the 5th position and G is at the 7th position. This is again plus 2, easy for us to say. And next is A to C, they are moving. A is the first letter, C is the third letter. Again, it is easy for us to say that this is just plus 2, they are moving. And next is C to E. Continue this, C to E, they are moving. So C to E is third letter to fifth letter. This is again plus 2. So again, this question is also very easy. We are very very easily able to catch the pattern here, right? So we'll just check it with the remaining letters also, because once after confirming only we can get the answer. Okay, we shouldn't be much lethargic with this. So we must confirm that whether we are able to follow the pattern clearly for all the letters. That is more important. So H to J. So H is at the 8th position, J is at the 10th position. So 8 to 10 is again plus 2. Next E to G, if we see, so it is again plus 2 because the second letter itself, we have the same E, it is coded as G, the same thing. So that means here also they have done plus 2 only. And last one more, R to T. R is at the 18th position. See here, R is at the 18th position and T is at the 20th position. So 18 to 20 is once again plus 2. So that means confirm. Here what pattern is followed? They are just doing plus 2 for each of these letters. Is it or not? So that means in our answer also for the given word also, we need to do the same kind of traveling for each of these letters. So we need to do +2 for all these letters. So children is the given letter, I mean the given word for us. We need to follow the same pattern here also, +2, +2, +2, and here also it is +2. That's it. We'll quickly do it to get the answer. Again, we'll do it letter by letter, right? So first letter we have C. C +2 we have to go. So C is already at the third position. So 3 +2 we have to do. So C is a third position, +2 I do, I'll be getting 5. So 5 corresponds to the letter E. Is it or not? So immediately come to the options and see whether any options we can reject it. We can just see that. So we can reject option C. We can reject option C. Is it or not? We can confirmly reject option C because it is starting with K here, but we have to get our answer starting with E. Yeah, that means option C we are rejecting. Continue. H we need to do +2. H is already at the 8th position. So 8 + 2 will give us 10. So 10 corresponds to the letter J. So that means now we can eliminate option A also. Is it or not? Because see here, E, the next letter we are having K in option A, but we need E, J. So we are successfully able to eliminate two options now, but we are left with options B and D. See here, option D says none of these. So that means we should be very much careful here. We need to travel. I mean, we need to fill till the last letter. We need to get the complete answer, and only then we can confirm whether option B or D will be our answer. Okay. Just because we got A, E, J, I mean the first two letters correct, we cannot just immediately go for option B. Okay, is the point clear? Why? Because we may even get some difference in the letters coming here. Maybe here in the fifth letter or sixth letter, we may get some change. So before we confirm it, we shouldn't be confirmed. We shouldn't just mark to go to option B. That would be highly dangerous. That's why, right? Yeah. Anyways, we'll quickly finish the answer. Next, third letter we have I. I +2 we need to move. So I is at the 9th position, and 9 + 2 will give us 11. 11 corresponds to K. Yes. Next, L we have L +2 we need to do. L is already at the 12th position. So 12 + 2 will give us 14. 14 means it is N. Yeah, we are nearing the answer. Next, we have D. D is 4. 4 + 2 will give us 6. 6 will be F. R is at the 18th position. 18 + 2 we'll be getting 20. 20 corresponds to the letter T. We have only two more letters. E +2 we need to do. E is at 5th position, +2 7. 7 corresponds to G. And last N is at the 14th position. 14 + 2 will be giving us 16. 16 corresponds to P. So that means EJKNFTGP. This is going to be our answer, which is exactly matching option B. Now we can very well confirm that our correct answer is option B, right? So again, this question, we got the answer very easily, very easy pattern. That's the reason. We'll move on to the next question now. Question number 3 with us. And this question is from the year 2014, December. I'm marking it to be question number 3. Yes. Let's see the question. If the word streamers, let us note it here. Streamers, ST, the word is little long here, so we need some space here. STREAMERS. We had quite huge word here, right? Streamers, MERS. So this is a 9-letter word actually. Yeah, fine. So the streamers is coded like what? We will see it here. So the streamers is coded as U will correspondingly, we have to respectively take it. Okay, it's even more important. Don't write it without a proper order. Okay, try to write it exactly one below the other. Okay, that would give a nice pattern. It will be easy for us to make the calculations also. That's why UVT, then we have G, we have, then we have A, we have, then L, D, Q, and R. This is what we have. So clear with the question? If streamers is coded like this, then what is asked in the question for us to find? Then we need to find how is the word knowledge be coded. I'll take down it here below. KN O W. I'm sorry, I'll write it even more clearly. Yeah, K N O W. Then we have L E D G E. This knowledge will be coded as what? So this is going to be our question. So let's keenly observe and get the answer. So come to the given word streamers, which is given in the question. Streamers is coded like this. So again, we need to do the same kind of thing. Okay. We need to observe, or we need to make our first basic test, that is whether they have used the same letters or different letters. Whether we have same letters or different letters. If you see, yes, of course, some letters we can see repetition. See here, this T is repeated, this A is repeated, and this R is repeated, right? But majority of the words, if you see, they are all not repeated. So that means we will, as usual, try with the traveling itself. Okay, in what pattern they have traveled. From there itself, we will try to start with. Then we see. So S, this first letter S is what is coded as U. Now come to the table. S is the 19th letter, and U, it is coded as U. U is the 21st letter. So that means 19 to 21 they are moving. Is it or not? So this means they are doing +2 here. Next, second letter, they are moving from T to V. So again, T is 20th letter and V is 22nd letter. So 20 to 22nd. This is again +2. So far it is going good. Next, R to T they are moving. R is 18th letter and T is 20th letter. Again, 18 to 20 is +2. Let's make a note of it. Next, E to G they are moving. So E is at the 5th position and G is at the 7th position. So 5th to 7th is again +2. So far it's moving good only. Now come to the 5th letter, A. Here this A is coded as A itself. So that means they have repeated the same letter here. Here they are not making any travel. So far we had +2, +2, +2, +2 for the first 4 letters. But when we come to the 5th letter, here they are not moving like +2. So here they have used the same letter. Anyways, we'll just hold on this 5th position. Okay, let's continue from the 6th. Let's see what happens. Now come to the 6th letter, M. M is coded as L. See here, come to the table. So M is the 13th letter and it is coded as L. L is the 12th letter. So 13 to 12. This means they are moving one position in the reverse direction, right? So that means here they are going -1. Is the point clear? M is 13, L is 12. So 13 to 12 means it is one positions in the reverse direction, right? That's why it is -1. Next, continue. E to D they are moving. So E is at the 5th position and D is at the 4th position. This is once again -1. Continue. R to Q they are moving. So R is at the 18th position and Q is at the 17th position. So this is again -1. Next, S to R, S is 19 and R is 18. This is again -1. So now, if we carefully observe, we can clearly get what pattern is followed here. See here, for the first 4 letters, they form a uniform pattern like +2, +2, +2. And if you see the last 4 letters also, they are forming a uniform pattern like -1, -1, -1, -1. And the middlemost letter A, this they are leaving as it is the point clear? So this is how the coding is done in this question. So little different question we are getting for the first time here, but at the same time it's interesting also. So I think this problem, it is very clear to you. First 4 letters they are doing +2, last 4 letters they are doing -1, and the middle letter they are leaving as it is. I mean the same letter, they are just putting the same letter here for the code also. So let's do the same thing for our given word also. KNOWLEDGE. So here also, let's do the first 4 letters. Okay. First 4 letters will be this K. Here we need to do +2. Then N here also +2. Then O is +2. And W is +2. It's very clear. And leave off the 5th letter. We'll have to get the same letter repeated. And for the remaining, the last 4 letters, we have to get the pattern like -1, -1, -1, and -1. So very clear, the setup is ready. Now it is very easy for us to fill the answer and then get it. Yeah, let's start. K. So the first letter is K. K plus 2 we need to do. That means 11 plus 2 will give us 13. 13 corresponds to the letter M. Fine? Yes. So immediately come to the options and see any options whether we are able to eliminate. See, the first letter we got M. That means sure we can eliminate options C and D. Is it or not? Anyways, we'll continue and see what happens next. Next, we have n plus 2. N is already at the 14th position. So 14 plus 2 will give us 16 and 16 corresponds to P. Yes. Now again coming to options. Yes. Now if you see option A can also be rejected. Is it or not? Because option A we have MQ. But option B is more matching with our answer MP. That means, yeah, off. A is also going off. Anyways, we'll confirm by continuing and get the answer. Yes, we continue and get the answer. O plus 2. So O is already at the 15th position. Plus 2 we do, we'll be getting 17. 17 corresponds to Q. Yes, we are right. Next, quickly we'll do W is 23. 23 plus 2 will go for 25, and which will be Y. And L is the fifth letter. It will be same L only, no change. And for the last four letters, E. E we need to do the -1. That is the previous letter. So previous letter for E will be, this will be D. Then D, the before letter, I mean the one letter which is before the D, it will be C. And G, the previous letter will be F. And for E, the previous letter will be D once again. So that means our answer has to be MPQYLDCFD, which is confirming that option B is our correct answer, right? Yeah. Now we can very well confirm that option B is the correct answer. Yes, fine. We have last one more question. Question number 4. We'll try to solve this question number 4. Yeah, I'll adjust this. Yes. Question number 4. This is from 2015 June, and we'll see the question. In a certain code, the word Mathura, MATHUR, is coded as, see here, this has been coded like JXQE RO and again X. Then the question says, find what will be the code of the word hotels. HOTELS. TELS. This is our question. So we need to find the respective code for this word hotels. Yes, we go as usual. We start from what is given. We are given the word Mathura. So if you see the letters we have in the code, we can very easily say they have used completely some different set of letters only here. So that means they have done something with traveling. So almost like the first 3 previous questions what we solved, this is also the same kind. We need to travel only. Fine. Yeah, we'll do it letter by letter. M to J, they are traveling. So you can do it very quickly because we have more practice here, right? So that's why M to J, they are traveling. So M to J, if you see, this is 13th to 10th. Is it or not? So 13th to 10th will be -3. Yes, continue. Next, they are moving from A to X. See here, they are moving from A to X, they are moving. So A is the first letter, but X is 24th letter. So again, we have got two possibilities because the first letter we got a reverse pattern, but the second letter, if you see in both the ways, we'll just see in both the possibilities. We see the possibilities, both the possibilities we'll just see. So if you have A to X moving in the forward direction, we'll be having 1 to 24, which will be plus 23 positions. Or we can even have it like a reverse. Okay, reverse also we can have. So if we need to see the reverse direction, we need to consider A as the 27th letter. So now we move from 27th letter to 24th letter. So 27 to 24 will be simply again -3 only. So I think This would give us more sense, right? Because if we move in the forward direction, it won't follow the same pattern what we had for the first letter. That's the reason. Anyways, we'll continue and see whether this is giving us a valid pattern. Next, T to Q, they are moving. T is already at 28th position and Q is at the 17th position. Yes, it is working. This is -3 only. Next, H to E, they are moving. H is 8 and E is 5. Again, this is -3. Next, U to R, they are moving. U to R, if you see, 21st letter to 18th letter. So 21st to 18 is again -3 only, no doubt. Next, I'm moving from R to O. R is already at 18th position and O is at 15th position. This is again -3 only. And once again, we apply the same pattern like how we did for the second letter A. The same thing follows here. I can even apply it and say -3. That means this is confirming that here they are just doing -3, -3, -3 for all these letters, and that will give the answer. So now we can confirm what answer we'll be getting. -3. We'll have to do -3 for each of these letters. That would give the answer. Yes, -3 and -3. So let's do the same -3. So yeah, start from the first letter H. H -3. H is already at the 8th position. -3 we do, we'll be getting 5. 5 corresponds to the letter E. Is it or not? Yes. So we'll come to the options and see whether we are able to eliminate any options. We can sure eliminate options 1 and 3. Is it or not? Because both of them we have LL to be the starting letters, but we need to have E as the starting letter. So we'll hold options 2 and 4 because both of them start with E only. We'll continue to get the confirmed answer. Next we have O. From O we need to do -3. O is already at the 15th position. See here, -3 we do, we'll be getting 12. Is it or not? So that means we need to have second letter to be L, and still we are left with option 2 and 3. Sorry, 2 and 4, because again 2 and 4 both of them are having EL only. Anyways, continue. Third letter we'll see. So third letter we have T. T -3 we need to do. So T is already at the 20th position. -3 we do, we'll be getting 17. And 17 corresponds to the letter Q. Is it or not? So 17 is corresponding to the letter Q for us. So fill Q here. And now again come to the options. I think now we can eliminate option 4. Is it or not? Yes. Anyways, we'll continue and see. E -3. E -3 will give us 5 -3. That will be 2, which will correspond to B. Quickly we'll do that. L -3 we do it. So L is already at the 12th position. -3 we do it. We get 9, and 9 corresponds to I. And last one more, S -3. S is at 19, -3 we do, we get 16, and that will correspond to B. Now we can very well confirm ELQBIP, that is option 2 is our correct answer. Finished. Yes. So we have successfully completed again one more 4 questions here, but I just want to remind one thing here. See, all these questions we did, right? Before completing the last step, before just completing, or even I can even tell even more precisely, see here, just when we did some first 2 letters here or first 3 letters here, in each all of these questions, in all these questions we are able to reach the answer. Is it or not? And remember, just for a practice is what I'm just showing you by just performing the complete answer. Okay, but in exam, please, you see that you do not repeat or you do not do the whole problem. Once you just see that you are reaching your answer, you can quickly go move to that option and then finish your problem. Okay, and remember, unless you don't have options like this, none of these, like how we had for the second question, see here the last option is none of these, we can surely do that. But when we have that none of these, we should be a little careful. You understand that? Because none of these we have, so that means we must confirm till we perform the last letter. And only for that practice is what I just worked out the entire problem. In each case, I just worked the full problem, the complete problem, and then I just marked the answer. But if you don't have the option, none of these, you can sure just reach the answer quickly. Just by doing some first 2 letters or 3 letters itself, you'll be able to just get the answer very, very easily. So kindly just save your time. You see that you are saving your time by working quickly. And if you have that none of these as one of the options, be careful there. right? Okay, so these are all the things you need to remember. Yes, fine. I think all these questions you are able to understand. Again, in our next session, we'll come out with other set of problems. See you there soon. Thank you so much. Bye.